What? You and me will always be tied. Memory every single day and night. Even when you start to acting like a fool, you know I'm loving every single thing you do. I know that I can always be myself.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be doing a unboxing video. So first thing I will be unboxing is this snow cone machine that I purchased on Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link down here in the description, so if you want something like this for your own purpose or anything, you can get it. Very affordable. This is the size of it. Okay. And it shave your ice, and it also come with two. This item also come with two snow cone cups. It come with a scoop to scoop up the ice as well, guys. So if you want to see me with this in action, leave a comment down below and tell me. So in the next video now, I will shave ice for you guys. I'll shave ice for my daughter. And the next item is this is a popcorn machine, which I purchased on Amazon as well. I'm gonna leave the link as well down in the description for you guys to see how much I paid for this item. I'm not gonna fully wrap it out because I don't have any popcorn today, so I'm gonna just take it out of the box for you guys to see the size of it. And next day when I'm gonna pop some corn, the same day that I'm gonna shave the ice for you, I'm gonna pop the corn as well and show it to you. So this is the size of the popcorn machine. This popcorn machine comes with a scoop to scoop up the popcorn, and it also comes with some other stuff. But on the next day, I'll make a video to show you guys how to use it. And I also purchased a greenhouse. I also purchased a greenhouse to plant some stuff in. This is a box that the greenhouse came in. This is a box. So if you want to see me set up this greenhouse, guys, stay tuned. Share this video, like the video, and leave a comment. If you want to see me doing more unboxing stuff, if you want to see me unbox more stuff from Amazon or any site, it doesn't matter. You can leave a comment down below and tell me what would you like to see me unboxing. So if you want to see me set up the greenhouse, guys, just stay tuned and watch the video.